Well, we are learning more about the dramatic rescue of two people trapped in the water in Connecticut. Emergency crews in Stamford worked fast during yesterday's storm to pull a man and a woman from a sinking pickup truck there. The man was trapped in the cab of the partially submerged vehicle that was floating away from the shore. Firefighters reached them with a 100-foot truck ladder. Police now say the woman had been doing donuts in the fresh snow in the parking lot when she lost control. Fortunately, no one was seriously injured. But you know what? It puts a lot of people at risk to go out there and,
absolutely.